Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will help you change your Buick Enclave key fob battery. It's a simple process that you can do yourself in just a few minutes. Before we begin, make sure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery ready. Having these tools on hand will make the replacement smooth and quick. Now, let's get started by opening the key fob. First, locate the small button on the side of your fob. Press this button to release the emergency key, then slide it out. With the emergency key removed, you will see a small slot inside the key fob. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently pry the two halves apart. With the key fob now open, you will clearly see the old battery inside. Take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up, before you remove it. Use your small flathead screwdriver to carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side facing up, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Once the new battery is securely in position, carefully align the two halves of the key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a distinct click, ensuring they are completely sealed. Don't forget to reinsert the emergency key back into its slot. Finally, test your key fob to confirm it is working correctly by locking and unlocking your vehicle. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.